lives. The affected traders and businesses have gone down and called the local place to pivot for the construction of a crash center at the market. Mayor Councillor Joseph Kaniwo has assured traders that the work to reconstruct the market will be completed in January 2026. He told traders that he work on the way how they can benefit from the government's empowerment initiative. Minister Peter Philip has also agreed to the church to pay the donation and take it to the national streets during the election. Mr. Philip said the church has continued to place a critical in unifying the nation. Mr. Philip said this in the Spirit Reverend's behalf, but provide basic commercial house and credit, ownership of the declaration of Zambia as a Christian nation, and the National Religious Affairs Officer of Uganda has urged Zambians to ensure Christianity manifests